Hi everyone, the aim of this screencast is to show you how to work with plugins in Qgis. And there are two types of plugins, ones that are pre-installed and ones that you have to install. And it's all managed through the plugins, manage and install. And the first ones, the ones that are pre-installed, are not all active. Let's say the geometry checker is not active now. Let's look at the georeference is also not active. If I press the V here and then I'll go to the raster menu, I have the georeference active. And now it's inactive, so I don't see it. The other type is ones that you have to install. For instance, I don't know, I select the Amigo Cloud plugin. I can install it. The search is like any other search. If I type Amigo, I'll only see the Amigo Cloud and I can install it. Takes some time, but it's installed. And this is it. Bye.